Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this wig. It's like a quarantine wig, like a chill wig. Yeah, so if you find this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. The first step you're going to do if you're using this type of cap is wrap a band like 2 inches from the hairline, because you're not going to braid that part. And then if you're using this type of cap, you don't have to wrap a band around it. You're just going to braid like an inch from the hairline. I'm going to use this braid. They're short Abuja braids. I used only 2 bundles. I bought them at 60 bob. So the next step is to split this bundle into as many small pieces as possible. By doing this, you're going to quicken up the process. Like when you're going to start braiding, it's going to be quicker and easier. Now I'm going to crochet the pieces like slightly above the band that I had dropped. So for the braiding hair, just make sure you increase the size like this, and then go ahead and braid the hair that you already crochet. So I'm going to braid around the cap, and then we're going to glue them down. So just to quicken up the process, I crochet like around the cap first like this, and then just went ahead and braided the entire hair, and then actually just repeated the same process. So for me to quicken up the process, after I'd crochet like around the cap, I was braiding like halfway, and then after I was done braiding halfway, I was now like finishing the ends. I'm done braiding, and it was very simple and quick. I only used 2 packets of the Abuja short braids. So I'm going to glue these braids down, but before that I have to like prevent the glue from getting to my mannequin. So I went ahead and wrapped this paper wrap just to prevent the glue from getting on my mannequin. And then before you glue them down, make sure you mark the middle part of your cap. So I'll be using this glue. You can get this glue from Amazon, you can get it from AliExpress, or you can just get it from any supply beauty shop around you. I bought it at 300 shillings, and that is $3.
I'm trying to pick myself up. I may be living alone, but I still believe in love. And although my flaws had dragged me down on the coldest night, I'm still kicking around. Then I saw you back before my time.
I was gluing the braids one by one, but then I realized it was just consuming a lot of time, so I decided to apply the glue on the cap and then just attach the braids on it, and it was very simple and quick. So again, you can as well just stitch these braids down, but then I realized also glue method was just simple and quick, especially for beginners. If you can't stitch your braids, like, just use glue. It was very, very simple and I really loved it.
I'm trying to pick myself up. I may be living alone, but I still believe in love. And although my flaws had dragged me down on the coldest night, I'm still kicking around. Then I saw you back before my time. What's your take? No. Throughout my life, you've called me a renegade. Throughout my loves, you said we could start again, but I'm a renegade of your love. But I'm a renegade of your love. I'm a renegade of your love.
I removed the paper wrap, but then it hasn't dried, so I'm going to leave it overnight and then I'll try it on when it has dried.
Waiting for someone to wake me up, tell me that this is all just a dream. I'm still waiting for a difference.
So guys, this is our hair. Like, I left it to dry overnight, and as you can see, it has dried. You can stitch an elastic band on it just to make it more secure, and also add some combs on the sides, and that is something that I'll do later. I'll add combs on the sides, but then it has these bands. It will just support. As you can see guys, I have my natural hair, so I'll just put it on this. I don't know if it will fit because like my hair is so thick. When you want to wear this, make sure you have like cornrows and small cornrows. It really fits, like it fits so well, though of course because my hair is thick, like it won't cover the entire head, as you can see. So if I had cornrows, it will have covered the entire head. I'm going to wrap this scarf. This is the same scarf that I used on my previous video on how to make a quarantine wig. So if you have cornrows, like the cap is going to fit on your head, and then also like the band is going to cover the entire space that you left on the cap. So you can just wear this and go with it to the gym because it's very, very light. Like, it's light and then it can't even come out. So especially when you stitch the combs on the sides, it's going to be secure, like it won't even come out. Yeah, so this is very good for those people who go to the gym. When your friends come over and you just chilling, you can wear this. Yeah, and I really loved it. So you can style it like this.
Been on the streets a few months. I'm trying to pick myself up. I may be living alone, but I still believe in love. And although
So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.